Today I've got my Audi Q5 that has a 2.0 liter engine, and I'm going to do a quick serpentine belt change with this Gates belt that I got from my local O'Reilly's. So it's going to be really simple. You can get to the belt from the top of the engine, and all you need is a 16mm socket and a ratchet to get to the tensioner. So there's the tensioner down there. I've got my tool ready to go. And from the top you find the tensioner, you slip the wrench over it, and then you turn clockwise to loosen up the tension on the belt. I'm going to try to do this with one hand and get the belt off of the alternator. This Audi Q5 does not have a traditional power steering pump, so the belt routing is simpler. The belt itself is shorter. It only has to go around the crankshaft, alternator, and the AC compressor. And I've got the old belt out right here, not that long. And now I will just slip on the new one, first going around the crankshaft and then also around the AC compressor. And then I'm going to wrap it around the tensioner, and then I can't do this with one hand, so give me a second. There we go. I've got the belt over everything, and that's really all there is to it, changing the belt.